we've wangled our way over to Mr. Peter Gibb at
Hi.
Lenbrook. How are you doing, my sir?
I'm good, thanks. You?
Yes, I'm very well.
Good.
And you are going to tell me about something that I've discussed with you
Yep.
at length
Yep.
many
Yep.
times.
And you're not alone. Yeah, we've been asked quite a few times.
We have a soundbar. It's got fabric on it.
That's right. Yeah. So we've basically, this is the new soundbar offering from Bluesound. We have an existing Bluesound soundbar, but yeah, the feedback we got from the market was, can we make it look a little bit prettier? It sounds fantastic.
Sounds great.
But let's rethink the industrial design.
Yeah, it's a bit.
So yeah, it's been a long time coming to develop this product and get it to market.
It's not just that as well.
but,
It's the fact
yeah.
that you've got two versions.
That's right, aye. So we have the smaller Pulse Cinema Mini, which is a stereo. It's a 2.1 configuration.
Okay.
This one comes in two finishes. You've got it in the white with the tan fabric, or you've got it in the same finish as this, the black with the charcoal.
Cool.
And then this is the Pulse Cinema, so for a larger TV. This is a 3.1.2 configuration. So you get 16 drivers in there total. You got right, left, centre, bass.
Okay.
And then you've got your two up-fire and Atmos channels on there as well.
But you can still add.
Yes. Yeah. So you can still add, we don't have a Pulse Flex here, but the smallest speaker we do is a Pulse Flex for rear channels. Then you got the Pulse M, can be used as rears. You can also use a PowerNode Edge with a pair of passive speakers as rears.
Okay, interesting.
So you can do it that way as well. So you can create a 5.1.2 with this product.
And very importantly with Bluesound, much like other products on the market, wink, wink, it's all wireless.
Yes. Yeah, so it's Wi-Fi,
like the perfect product for those new builds that we all forgot to put the cables in for, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. So you've got HDMI eARC on there, optical analog inputs. You can pair it with a Bluos subwoofer. You've got AirPlay, Spotify Connect. Yes, we do. We use the Bluos controller app for all of that.
Which has all the native music services on there that you'd ever want.
Not to list them all, but we've got over 20 integrated music services.
Exactly that. So essentially you could go into your living room, you could listen to a film on Dolby Atmos, and then you could flick over and listen to your Spotify tracks.
Yep.
Correct. I mean, that's what we want in our life, isn't it?
Exactly, I try to make it convenient.
But what makes Bluesound different is that it also integrates into
NAD, that's right,
See that? That's a segue.
Nice, I like it.
That's a segue, my friend.
How convenient.
Yes.
Yeah, so I mean, part of the beauty of Bluos is that Bluos is the software platform.
Yeah.
Within that, we have over 70 products in the Bluos ecosystem. We've got Bluesound, we've got NAD, we have a commercial brand called Bluesound Professional, we have a speaker brand called PSB that has Bluos-enabled products. We also license it to Monitor Audio, DALI, Roxanne use it.
It's huge. It's quite a big
Cyrus Audio
entity,
as well.
isn't it? That I don't think necessarily all the industry kind of know the intricacies. No. They see this as a front end, soundbars. They don't know that actually they can do multi-room audio with all your new little amps that you've got over there. And it can all be as one part of ecosystem.
Right. It's the same app, it's the same control integration driver. So it really keeps it all simple, but gives you loads and loads of price points, form factors, feature sets. Another cool thing that we're doing is we're about to launch a new configuration software, which will be a desktop-based application that just streamlines configuration. So if you're doing, lots of zones of audio, rather than going in through the app and manually setting up every player individually, you'll be able to do all of this by batch, commission your whole system. It literally reduces your commissioning time by about 75%. It's incredibly quick. It also has features like setting static IPs, turning off your automatic updates, doing all of that stuff. So again, we've designed that specifically for the CI and Pro Integrator channel to try and make your life a little bit easier.
It feels very balanced now with Bluesound. Now you've brought these two products in. Are they available now?
These will start shipping in October.
October? Ready for Christmas.
Exactly.
Very smart of you boys and girls, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, and if I want to hear it, where do I go?
You'll be able to get a demonstration through Anatech. And then again, I mean, we have multiple retailers that will be holding these products, Seven Oaks as well. So,
Great stuff. And there's a lot of custom integrators out there that already utilize this product. So I'm sure you could reach out to them and get a demo through one of those guys, can't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Anything else that we need to cover, sir?
Well, you're standing next to the other new product we're launching from Bluesound. So this is shipping now.
I'll turn it around.
Yeah.
Because that's important.
That reveals some secrets. So this is a new version of the existing PowerNode. So what we've done is we've taken the existing, it's a 2-channel streaming amplifier with Bluos built in. A lot of it's very similar. We've still got HDMI eARC, optical inputs, analog. We've added USB-C audio input.
Cool.
And I guess the noticeable thing here is that we've added a 3rd channel. So this will now support a 3.0 configuration. You do have a sub out, you can do 3.1. So again, it's Dolby decoding, so you can add rear channels and create a proper 5.1 system. So this, in combination with what we're doing with the sound bars, we've got a kind of initiative going on within Bluesound to kind of differentiate in the market with this simple AV strategy and look at the way people are consuming their audio now.
Yeah.
They'll often have it connected to their TV. All the content's available in multi-channel.
But it gives the custom integrator the option to obviously utilize their own soundbar.
That's right.
But still add
you can
wireless.
use a passive soundbar. You can use, you can do all of that.
It's the flexibility that Bluesound are currently offering. That I tell you what it is that I feel. It's very much a custom integrator's brain that's thinking about this.
Aye.
You know, it's not necessarily a brand going, we're just going to put out products that we think is going to sell from a consumer point, but from a custom integration point.
That's right.
Which is
the feedback we've had on this from integrators already. We showed it at CD a couple of weeks ago, and the feedback was sensational. So we're really excited to get this one to market. And again, that it's just, again, from a user standpoint, it's just simple AV, you know, but from an integrator's perspective as well, you've got a fully BlueOS enabled streaming amplifier that can also support multi-channel audio.
Wicked.
It's a very cool product. We've upgraded the amplification as well. We're now using our direct digital amplification platform with GANFET. So it runs super cool, sounds great. Yeah, really cool product.
Smashing it at the moment, sir.
Yeah.
Smashing it. And it's just in time for Christmas.
Exactly, yeah.
2026 is going to be a big year.
It is, yeah.
Are we out at ISE?
Yeah, we'll be at ISE, yeah, we always
Anything coming out then?
Maybe, couldn't possibly say. Yeah, but yeah, well, I've got some more on the NAD side. We'll have a couple of new products there.
Well, there we go.
But yeah, watch this space for ISE.
If you are not here, which I can imagine they're not, because they're going to be watching this post. So get yourself over to Barcelona, meet my old mate Peter, and he's going to show you around some of these new products. And actually have a listen to them, because they do sound fantastic.
Yeah, I mean, we are a performance-first company. You know, it's all high-res support. And again, in the Bluesound products, we use our NAD engineering. We've got, you know, NAD's a well-known amplifier brand, and we use that technology in the Bluesound products. So the sound quality is always the first thing we come to with these products. So yeah, we're really proud of that one. All right, are we going to talk about the NAD CI stuff as well?
We can do, absolutely. We can drop that and we can come back to this bit.
You did segue me in earlier. So, so we've had the NAD CI platform for a while now. We launched a couple of BlueOS enabled streaming devices. We've got a 4-zone streamer that sits in the rack. We've got a single zone streaming amplifier that's rack mountable, and we launched those a good while back. We've now, you know, we got to the point where we've got enough time in the market to review and listen to the dealers and get the feedback. What are the trends? And we're kind of starting again with a new generation of products. So, so these are the first 3 products. They don't replace the existing 2.
They're just additionals.
These are new, but we will start to migrate everything into this modular platform.
They're big.
Yeah, well, they're deep. But yeah,
nice.
So we've gone with this form factor. So they're all 1/3 of a U wide, and 1 U high. We've had to make the amplified products are 385mm deep. The streaming product without the amplification is 240 deep, so that's nice and compact. The main design principle with these was to try and keep it really simple for the integrator. And how can we keep it nice and easy to install?
You can mix and match. Is this
you can mix and match it. It's completely modular. They connect together and fit in the rack without any additional accessories. You just slot them together, and they mount as one piece.
I mean, it doesn't take a lot to surprise me these days, but that did genuinely surprise me.
Aye, well, again, we already do a streaming amplifier, and a rack frame's required for it. And again, a lot of the feedback is keep forgetting to order the frame and the extra accessories. Whether you're doing 1, 2, or 3 products in a 1U space, we provide all of the rack ears, all of the accessories required to mount it, so they can all connect together and be mounted in that way.
And I'm guessing this is like to position yourself to say, I don't know, customer wants really loud speakers outside, so we can put the big boy in next to some slightly less powered for his bathroom speakers.
Actually, these are, we'll go into that. So these are actually the exact same amplification platform. So what we have here, this is the PA460. So that's power amplifier, 4x60 watts. It's a 240 watt amplifier. I'll show you the back panel as well. So, I mean, in terms of the I/O, it's all fairly standard. You've got 2 inputs, you've got 2 pairs of outputs, you've got stereo mono, gain pots, power control, You've got a loop out to another amplifier, so you can daisy chain these together. You got a little dip switch so that you can route input one out of all 4 channels. But what's neat about it is we're using the same amplification as that PowerNode I showed you, which is digital amplification, runs really cool. And then we've implemented a feature called dynamic power management here. So if I only connect 1 pair of speakers, the amp can detect that it's only got 1 pair detected, and it'll give you 120 watts per channel. As soon as I detect a second speaker load, it'll detect the current draw from there, and it'll give us 4 by 60 watts.
Very clever.
So it's a 4-channel amp. It's also 2 by 120. There's no need to bridge anything.
Wow.
And because obviously bridging half your impedance and your damping factors, so we wanted to make that nice and simple as well. Comes with snap-on speaker connectors. Pull one out of here.
Fancy.
So again, keeping it nice and simple in terms of hooking it all up. We really needed a 4-channel amp to pair up with our AV receivers, which all have pre-outs for height channels. So it's convenient for that, but it's also handy for multi-room as well. So that's the PA460. This product here is that amplifier with Bluos now. So we've built in Bluos. So you can see the IO's changed on the back. As much as this is rack mountable, it's in the same form factor. But I think a lot of the time this will go behind a TV in the room.
Okay.
So you've got eARC, you've got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you still got your Ethernet connection. You've still got your 2 pairs of speaker outputs with the snap-on connectors. So you've got a few different use cases for this. If I just connect 1 pair of speakers, it's 2 by 120 watts. Right. So a nice stereo system, can set up a nice 2.1. If the TV's maybe in a kitchen and I want to do a bit of room fill over a wider space, I can plug in the second pair of speakers and I've got 4-channel stereo or mono.
Nice.
So again, just to spread the sound around a little bit. The really neat feature we've implemented here is that I can now go into the Bluos app. You mentioned a bathroom or an ensuite that needs less power. So let's say I've got a master bedroom ensuite. I can actually go into the Bluos app and I can enable a feature called Subzone, which gives me independent volume control and power on-off across the 2 outputs.
Dual zone amp.
Exactly, it's 2 plus 2, so it's always the same source. So in any area where you would always have the same audio playing,
of course,
but you want different levels, different on-off.
Yeah, smart, like
That's what that does. It's also got a 12-volt input trigger, which is nothing to do with power. It's actually configurable through our desktop tool that I mentioned earlier. You can go in there and assign different functions to the player based on status changes in the trigger.
Okay, all right.
So when the trigger goes from low to high or high to low, you can set it to carry out a function. So if you're integrating with a security alarm, you can have it mute or unmute.
This is it.
Play, pause. You could start a preset.
Good for commercial applications.
Exactly, aye. You can also play door chimes and
fire alarms, all that jazz.
Yeah, exactly, aye. So just, again, neat features that are designed specifically for the CI channel. Because, again, the feedback we get is integrators are trying to simplify the systems and reduce the dependency on control in smaller projects. So this is a single zone Bluos streamer. This is the S1, so streamer, 1 zone. So it's basically, again, it's the Bluos side of this without the amplification. So we've changed the I/O because this will sit in the rack. So no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no eARC. You've got optical coax, RCA input. You've still got the dual outputs with the subzone feature, but now you're not limited to the 240 watts amplification.
You can do whatever you want.
You can do whatever you want with the amp. So 100-volt line, more power, more channels, DSP, you can do what you want there. Cool. You've got the trigger out for your amps as well. The really neat thing about this is it's PoE. So you've got the option here of a 12-volt DC input or using PoE. So again, simplifying the rack, less cabling, less PDU requirements. So nice simple PoE streamer. We're using ESS Saber DACs in here, which is what you'll get on our other premium products. So sound quality, again, is a big focus on these. And that's it. So yeah, these are all, the 2 Bluos enabled products are shipping November, and the power amp will be shipping early October, I think. So.
Okay, all right. So we're all similar timelines anyway, across the whole lot.
Yeah, they'll all be available within the next couple of months.
Well, I knew that Lenbrook had so much going on.
Yeah, well, we've had a lot going on recently for sure. So we'll build this platform out. These are the first products, and then again at ISE we'll maybe have a couple of other things to show you in the same range.
Have these on demo a bit more.
Hopefully, yes, we'll get some demos set up.
Good man. Yeah. Well, I wonder if he'll let me do an outro now, or whether he's going to sneak something else on me.
You can do your outro, you're clear.
Oh, I can, I'm allowed. I'm allowed, it seems. But we will see you at ISE.
Yes.
100%, my friends. I'm looking forward to hearing these in all their glory. Should we go and have a proper listen now?
We'll get you a listen, for sure.
Come on then, let's have a listen. Let's walk out a shot and have a listen.